Today's video, I'm going to install Linux Mint Cinnamon on the HP 8300 Elite mid-tower computer. So first thing you need to do is download Linux Mint. I'm going to download this one. And you need an imaging program. You could use Win32 or you could use Vanilla Etcher. Any imaging program is fine. So let me insert the flash drive that I'm going to use. No, sure. Select an image. Select a drive. Make sure you select the right one. I want to select the 16 gigabyte one right here. Select that. Just flash. Yes. This will take several minutes. Okay, so now that's done. It verified it and it looks like it's okay. So what we want to do now is we just want to pull out the USB flash drive. I'm going to insert that into my computer and boot into this, basically. See you there. So now I'm going to start the computer. I'm going to press F10. Just keep pressing F10 until you get into the BIOS. Go to boot order. We can set the boot priority here for the hard drive. Press enter. Select you press enter here, you get in here and you can select whatever you want. I'll select this first. First, let me see what all the devices are. Storage option. Device configuration. I think I want SATA 0 to be the drive that I install the operating system to. Okay. USB. That's it. USB and SATA. Optical drive. So press F10 to accept it. Save and exit. Escape. Wait, we had something there. Okay, we'll let it pass. F9. Let's try F9. Whoops. Press F9 continuously. So we could set the boot, select the boot device. I think it's this one here. At least I could install it. If you have an AMD graphics card, you probably don't have to worry about it. You don't see anything. Okay, we can see something now. So I'm going to install Linux Mint. Select your language. For me, it's that. Keyboard layout is that for me. Select that. You go to advanced features. You continue. Install on that. Continue. Continue. That's the right time zone for me. Okay, so that's done. Let's see. Start. So first thing I want to do is I want to go to driver management, see if there's any drivers that I need. Drivers. Type that in to see what kind of drivers are available. Put in your password. Check the system resources. Desktop. If you want to get any apps in your desktop, this is how you could do it. Desktop, okay. See how well this thing does. Not using a lot of CPU power. Plenty of RAM here. Okay, that's pretty much it. I installed Linux Mint Cinnamon on this old, see how many years old this is. This is 14-year-old Hewlett Packard 8300 Elite mid-tower computer. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.